Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Belk Synchrony Credit Card. First step is to open your browser. Now after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Belk Synchrony Credit Card. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this link named as Synchrony. Click on it. Here you can see your option to log in. If you want to just skip this login process and pay as a guest, you can click on the link. Now type in your user ID. Now type in your password. If you click on this box, then you are ensuring that you are saving the information on your browser. You can leave it as unchecked. If you have forgot your user ID or your password, you can click here to reset your user ID or your password. Now if you want to create a new account, then you can click on register or apply. Now click on secure login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Belk Synchrony Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.